Get ready for a fall-themed Dollar Tree haul and some life updates. Welcome to my channel, Craft, Eat, Repeat. Hey guys, it's Aneka and welcome to my channel, Craft, Eat, Repeat. So today's video is a little bit of a different video. I've never done one like this before, so I hope you guys are interested in it. But I'm gonna do a little bit of a Dollar Tree haul and a life update all mixed up in one. There's been a lot going on in my life and you guys have kind of, even though you haven't known it, have kind of been sharing that journey with me and just bringing me some joy through these crazy times. So I just thought, you know what? I'm just gonna share what's going on and look at some fun Dollar Tree things and dream of projects and just, you know, do it in a video. So I hope you guys like it. So I have bags all over the place. So I'm gonna do this, I mean, kind of, I guess, in a sort of an order, but also no particular order. So hopefully you guys can track with me. The first thing that I got from Dollar Tree were these gorgeous little pumpkins and gourds. They had so many different colors. These are ceramic. They also had velvet ones. You guys, I picked up a ton of these because I figured I could paint them. I could make them have a completely different look. And one of the things I'm most excited about with these is doing some in kind of a boho type of a vibe. I'm kind of transitioning my house from mostly farmhouse to kind of like a modern farmhouse, almost boho style. So I thought these would be fun to just decorate and see what different things I could come up with. I got some really cool mud cloth fabric from Joann Fabric, but I'm sure you could find some anywhere. And I'm also going to use some more of those little jewels that I did in a recent DIY where I did a boho planter mug using these jewels that they have at Dollar Tree. They're already in fun shapes and they just make it really easy to decorate with. So I think I might put one on a pumpkin and see how it comes out. So the next thing I got at Dollar Tree were these burlap leaves. I thought these were so pretty. They come with a little wire stem that you can use, and I think I'm going to use these to make a garland. So I thought it would be a fun idea to combine these burlap leaves with some of these wooden leaves that they have at Dollar Tree. These are so adorable. They also had pumpkins, I think, and maybe one other shape there, but these are just really great for crafting. But I think I'm gonna string them together and make a thankfulness garland. And that actually brings me to my first life update. So starting in March, you guys, I actually got furloughed from my job. I work in healthcare, and one of the things that I love about my job is getting to connect with people and just, you know, sometimes you're there on the worst day of someone's life and you just get to bring a little positivity and a little support into their lives, and I really miss that. So being furloughed was really hard for me, and you guys were actually part of what kept my spirits up. Because I already had this channel, I was able to put more energy into that and just connect with you guys, and everybody is always so encouraging, and it just really was a bright spot in a really difficult situation. So I want to thank you guys for that, definitely for subscribing and then just commenting and always being positive and encouraging. It just really meant a lot to me in a time that was like full of stress. So thank you so much for that. But yeah, I've gone back to work. I have a little less time for crafting and creating. And so in my mind, I have all these ideas for quick crafts that I can do. And also you'll probably see a few changes in my channel. One of them is that I'm gonna do some videos the same as how I've always done. And then some, if they take a little longer, you know, I'll have maybe one craft, maybe two, always a DIY treat. You know, I love my treats. And I think that'll give me space and time just to get more videos out to you and to just manage my time because now I'm back at work. 10-hour days, y'all, and 3 kids when I get home. I'm definitely gonna need my crafting time as my me time again. So I'm really looking forward to that, and be on the lookout for some of those changes in my channel. And thank you guys so much for your love and support over these past few months. I've just been blown away. So the next thing that I got at Dollar Tree that I'm really excited about, but I'm actually still on the lookout for just the right pieces. But I got some of these cutting boards from Dollar Tree. I recently did a DIY. I made like a cell phone stand with some of these cutting boards, and I realized that these are just the perfect size for doing some other projects. So I thought I would be able to find some really cute napkins and towels and things like that. But right now these are the only fall ones I could find, but I'm leaving the tag on these, and I'm holding out hope because usually Dollar Tree has some really cute printed themed for whatever holiday towels and napkins. So I'm gonna hold on to these, but I'm going to use this to make some little placeholders and table settings. And so we'll see how it comes out. Be on the lookout for that DIY. So another thing that I got on this trip to Dollar Tree are some of these cute little signs. You guys, this year they have signs, and more signs, and they're all adorable. Look how cute this is. I love doing DIYs, but some of these I was looking at them and I was like, I think I just want to put that up the way it is. So I actually got 2 of these, and I already did a DIY with one of them. I'll be sure to link it down in the description box so you can find that. But there were just so many cute signs this year, and the possibilities are endless. I also grabbed some of these other calendars that had some beautiful florals and positive sayings on them. I can use all the positivity that I can get in my life, and so I just thought these were nice. I'm gonna try and make some things out of these. But guys, I also noticed that these calendars are the perfect size to fit right onto these signs that I got. So I think I might be using these and maybe putting like a border around it or trying to do something fun like that. We'll see. But that brings me to my second life update, and that is that I'm moving, y'all. I know some of you have asked me how I put up a lot of my DIYs, and most of the time I just respond that I use a command strip or something like that because we rent our house and I can't put too many holes in the wall. But we were able to buy a house, which is an amazing blessing, and I'm gonna be moving. So if every now and then you're kind of missing me and you're like, where is the video this week? It's probably, you know, just the craze of moving. So I'm so excited about that. And another thing I'm excited about, y'all, is that this new house has a fireplace with a mantle, which I've always wanted to be able to decorate. So I am just so excited to be doing some fall DIYs because we will be getting to our new house and I will be going crazy decorating the mantle. Also looking forward to Christmas, and I'm just loving the possibilities that I finally have. And I can put things on the walls without, you know, I mean, not damaging them, but not being so concerned about it being a rental. So this is a huge blessing. I am so excited. And I was thinking maybe I would also show you guys how maybe I decorate some of the rooms or some fun like DIYs to do around the house. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments if you would even be interested in that sort of thing, because if you are, then I'm more than happy to record myself doing them. I'm gonna still need to decorate on a budget, so I'm just coming up with little ideas here and there on how to make the house beautiful but on a budget. So if you want to see that, let me know. I love fall. I grew up in Florida, so everything was green, green, green all the time, which is also very gorgeous, but I only ever saw fall on TV. So now that I live in the Midwest and I can see it in real life, it is just beautiful. It's an awesome reminder, even in this time of transition and kind of craziness with like going back to work and moving houses and having to homeschool the kids this year and all of that stuff. Fall is just a beautiful reminder that change and transition really can be beautiful. So I know that's really deep to put on some artificial Dollar Tree flowers, but it is what it makes me think of. So I don't know, maybe that encourages someone out there, but I'm really excited to craft with these. That's the point. So that's all I got for the fall themed things, but there are so many fun Halloween things already out at Dollar Tree. But I need your guys' help to decide something. I want to know, and let me know down in the comments, would you rather see Halloween DIYs as I buy the items so that you can make sure that you can find the same things at Dollar Tree before they sell out or disappear? Or would you rather I wait till like September or so to get the Halloween crafting going? Let me know down in the comments what is your preference. So the first thing I got from the Halloween section are these little owls. I can't decide if I think these are cute or creepy, so that kind of makes them perfect for Halloween. I actually think I'm gonna paint these guys and maybe use them to make a fun Halloween serving platter or something like that. I think they would also be really cute to put out on the mantle. I can't wait to craft with these. Also this year at Dollar Tree, they have some really beautiful sugar skull decorations. They had serving platters, they had napkins, just a lot of really cool things to craft with. And these would be beautiful if your Halloween theme is more of a Dia de las Muertas theme, then you can go with these. Also, right next to those skulls, they had these skull and crossbones, which I grabbed, and I think I'm gonna make a wall hanging out of that. I also got some of these little creepy crawly bugs that I can put in the wall hanging. I'm not sure how I'm gonna make it, but I thought these were really cool and can make some really fun Halloween decorations. Because if you ask me, nothing is scarier than bugs. So that's all I need for Halloween decoration. It's just bugs and I'm already creeped out. I also got some of these skulls and some of these little tiny individual skeletons. And I think that if my girls, I'm gonna feel the girls out and see if they're ready for this, but I think I might make some little skeleton fairies this year to put around. We'll see. I don't want them to be too creeped out, but I think I would get a kick out of making them. So we'll see how that goes. Also, since I'm not sure how much I can punch up the creepiness factor this year, I got some of these bottles. These are perfect for making little bottles of potions and things like that I can put around. Not very scary, but definitely screams Halloween. I also got some books from Dollar Tree. For the price, you cannot beat it, and these books are perfect for making book stacks. So I think I'm gonna take the farmhouse book stack that I usually have out and maybe switch it out to make a book stack full of spell books or something cool like that. So I'm excited for that one. I think it'll be a really quick DIY, but one that'll have a lot of impact in the space. And just like the fall florals that they have some really fun Halloween florals. These have eyeballs in them. How perfect is that? And these have little silver skulls in them. I love that these are just like a tiny little nod towards Halloween, but they're not just totally overboard. These are red, they have little black skulls on them, and some of them have little spiders in there, which once again, all I need is bugs, and I'm like, yep, that's perfect for Halloween. So that's it for this Dollar Tree haul, and that's all my life updates, I guess. I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. If you did, let me know down in the comments. I'll definitely make some more of them because I always get really excited when I go to Dollar Tree. And the new house that we're gonna be living at actually does not have as many Dollar Trees as the one we're in now. Right now, I could go like 10 to 15 minutes in any direction and I could hit one of like 12 Dollar Trees around here. But the next house, I think there's only 2 and I have to drive like maybe 30 minutes. So trips to Dollar Tree are definitely going to be events. So I'm so happy to share what I find whenever I go, if you like that sort of thing. Also, don't forget to let me know down in the comments how you want the Halloween crafts to go. Do you want them as I get the stuff, or do you want them kind of later on when we get closer to Halloween? And if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for listening to my life updates. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends, but also head down to the comments and let me know what's the best thing that has happened in your life in the past month. Don't be afraid to give yourself a little credit. If you've done something amazing, let me know. And we'll give everybody a little positivity to read down in the comment section. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time when we repeat it all again.